Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Derby 2. So welcome back to another video today. So we are playing a game called Derby 2. So last couple of videos you said you guys like something, but Derby 2, why not, shall we? And then we got this old thing. And then I got one thing I gotta show you guys. So we got all the cars. Wait. Oh, that's the same one. Oh. This is actually I have right here. You guys like this? Comment down below and hit that subscribe button for ring that bell for notifications. Bring out all kind of videos. And then we got this Dodge pickup truck here, and then you guys want to see how good this truck is? Ready? It's pretty fast. No, I'm not going to kill it. Watch this. Ready? Ready? I'm at the speed him. Get it started up. Is that awesome, guys? Comment down below. Woohoo! Oh gosh, how do I drive this thing? Oh jeez. I know there's some cops in this game. Ready? Gotcha, cop. Come and chase me. So you see the cops in this game? You better run from them. If not them, just destroy your car. Watch this. See? Destroy your car, but you guys gotta get the exhaust pipes. Oh, there's another cop I'm about to get. Get your cop. I'm literally running. Running like a gun. So, you guys, any like Huskies, comment down below because Huskies are awesome. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I'm almost 200 back speed. Go, go, go. Go, go. Wow. How you drive this thing? Here we go. So you guys want to see what the Lambo looks like? Actually, let's take a test drive with this thing. Why not, shall we? Ooh, it's gonna, watch this. So we're gonna let that go. And see that, press it, ready? Here we go. And then I got, oh jeez. Here we go. Ready? Woo! Whoa! Oh jeez, ouch, that hurt. Wait a minute. Derby. Wait, what kind of game is that, guys? Oh, you guys can't see it. Hang on. Derby 3. Oh, let's see if we can find it, guys. So, a couple more days, we're probably gonna find that. So, let's hit these two cups right here. Ready? I'm going to go and do boop, boop, boop. All done, cops coming, chasing. I'm in the exhaust pipe. Are you coming? There you are. Which is ready? You guys can do something. Okay, I can't make it back up. Okay, so let's try. Guys, it's gonna be time for this right here. A Lambo. And this actually I have right here. That's the end. Look at that. It is a semi pickup truck. Semi truck. And watch this. Should I press shoot. Wait. Okay, see that button on the left? Watch this. There is a tank. Look at that. My money's up here, guys. See? Look at that. Can the fire? Can the fire? Oh, yeah. Let's go screw some stuff. Guys, this is actually going to be awesome, man. Awesome. You guys heard of the game? Comment down below. Oh, let's see what happens. I shoot a fireball. You guys having very bad issues. Wow! Look at that truck. Let's go check out that tunnel. Actually, let me show you guys the car. So, 7 more days is gonna be the Thanksgiving. And look, there's Santa's sleigh. Oh, let's see if I can get Santa's sleigh. Oh. And paint it like Santa's. Go, 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 go. There we go, guys. We got it. Here we go. We're just smacking something. Ready? Oh gosh, there's a cop. Later. This is actually so much indestructible. Whoa. I just flipped over Santa's sleigh. And then let's go. Ooh, I kind of want to get the truck right there. That's actually looks nice. But I like the light bar up there. So let's go back where we were. And guys, watch this. Santa press. Let's go to this one. So guys, can you see this button right there to race? I can do my own derbies. If you got a like, comment down below. Ready? 4 cars, 9 cars. So ready? And race too. Ready? Oops. Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna hit the gas. Alright, let's get this. Let's get the fort first. Watch out, Santa. Come on, guys. The game don't want to do it. Hang on. Hang on, guys. I got this. Okay, there we go. Woohoo! Wee! Whoa! Ouch! That hurt. There's a cop car right there. Santa! Come here. Whoa! Wee! Oh! Oh gosh. You guys love my car, comment down below, please. And I gotta get some money, guys. Oh wow, I just smacked the cop car. See, 2 cars down. 1 car down. I got. Wow, look at that forward run. Like a chipmunk. Like a waterfall. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at my wheels. I'm about to hit. I'm about to hit. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. Oh! I'm gonna hit stop. Hit the gas. Well, Santa Sleigh, you gotta go. I'll get to Ford. You're more used than mine, boy. And then where's the sleigh? Oh, Santa, what are you staying there for? To beat me up? Come here. Come here, Santa. Hi. Come here. Come here, Sleigh. Oh, I just want to race. Yeah, him's gonna be stuck. Don't. Oh, jeez, I'm about to hit him. Yep, him's out. No! Wait, I won! Look, see, Mr. Husky! Yay! I won! Yay! So let's go ahead and press this, and yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up and bring out that like for another YouTube, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye!